Hey there folks, today I'm going to show you a free VPN for Windows. To do that, click on Start, go to VPN and type in Settings, or better yet, head straight to the VPN settings. Now we need to click Add VPN. A window will pop up where we can enter the VPN details. We open any browser and search for free VPN accounts. Click it and then go to any free VPN website. Yes, here we have the addresses we can connect to. So let's look for the connection name. Let's name it, for instance, vpn.me. The server name, or rather the address, here it is. Next, we choose the security system. Yes, if you have one. Now here we have the username and password. Let's get the username. Actually, this is our password and the username. And click Save. Then click Join. If everything's entered correctly, it should connect. Well, after connecting, it might take some time. You can use the VPN, but don't forget to switch it off afterwards. That's all for now. This has been Weller with you. Bye, everyone.